In this video, I'll show you how to update your sitemap in Yoast SEO. A sitemap helps search engines understand your site structure and index your content efficiently. So keeping it updated is key. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and open the Yoast SEO settings. Under the General tab, look for Site Features and make sure XML Sitemaps is enabled. This allows Yoast to generate and update your sitemap automatically whenever you add, edit or delete content. If you need to force an update, simply turn the XML sitemap option off, save your changes, then turn it back on and save again. This rebuilds your sitemap from scratch, ensuring all your latest content is included. Keeping your sitemap up to date helps search engines index your pages faster and improves your website's visibility. That's it. Simple, quick, and essential for effective SEO.